This easy vegan pumpkin pie is the perfect dessert for Thanksgiving, and here's how to make it. For the crust, I use puff pastry. And to create a filling, you would need 1 can pumpkin pie puree, 1.5 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Let's make the crust first. Spread the dough over the pie pan and place aluminum foil on top of it and put it in the oven for 15 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the crust is baking, let's make the filling. Combine your pumpkin puree with pumpkin spice, maple syrup, cornstarch, and vanilla extract together. Place it on the stove and cook it while stirring on the lowest setting. When the pumpkin puree starts making burping bubbles, turn off the stove and put your pumpkin puree aside to cool down. While the crust is ready, place your pumpkin puree filling on the crust and cover with the rest of the dough to create the pattern that you want. Reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the crust for 15 minutes on the lower oven rack. Remove the pie when the crust appeared with golden color. Wait for it to cool down and enjoy.